Hi, welcome to King's Auto Garage. We have a BMW X5 here, and this vehicle have a problem with the engine, misfiring and oil leakage from the
I
engine
was
head.
going to write you a letter. When I turned the page, I'd have the courage, yeah. And it's tough to let go even after all of this time. You are the reason why I'm fucked up.
Initially, we inspect the vehicle and we inspect all ignition coil and injector and spark plug, and we found the spark plug is burned, and the customer says he replaced the spark plug in few days ago, but still spark plug have a issue. And we inspect the engine head and the combustion chamber, and we found an oil leakage in the combustion chamber. So we need to replace the engine, and we found an used engine from the aftermarket. This is our engine to replace, and we want to replace the engine by this engine.
Was trapped up, I looked out 'cause I believed in all those lies. That you loved me, you never loved me. I don't know how to accept that what you did still colors me black, and it's got me like, I feel so, I made this void now, you don't look back, and it's got me like, I feel so, let's let you let's let you what you did still colors me black, and it's got me like, feel so made this void now, you don't look back, it's fun. And I still see you smiling when you said to me, don't be a crybaby. And I've been told that you moved on, even though I still feel the echoes. I'm fucked up, and I can't love myself now. I live like I own these lies, and I'm not enough, though you're not enough. Just want to shout it out. That what you did still colors me black. And it's got me like I feel so.
We fixed the new engine to the engine cabin, and we fixed the all engine mountings, and next we want to do the wiring fixing.
I feel so. I made this void now. You don't.
Now we are fixing the electrical components and the electrical parts, and we need to fix the gearbox and the axles also. After that, we have to check the efficiency of the engine and working.
I made this void now. You don't look back. It's got me like. Made this void now. You don't look back. It's got me like. I feel so. That's what you.
Now the engine is perfectly smooth. We have to take a long test drive to ensure the engine performance. Everything is perfect. We have replaced the engine and the BMW is ready to conquer the roads. Do you have a German cars? If you're looking for a better service for your car, please contact us. We have specialized in German cars.